What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alyssa, and for all of you who are new here, as usual, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button to see more content like this, and also give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I know every single time I come back to you guys, I'm like in a different section of my room, but I'm sitting at my desk because, as you can tell from the title, I will be doing an unboxing of my new Amazon Echo. This is the Echo Dot. I got it in, I can't remember the color name, but this is definitely the lightest color. They have 3. At first, I was like, I don't need that. Like, I really don't, like, there's no use for it. But I found another way to ruin my life with technology and pure laziness. I actually did the unboxing a little bit different. I'll show you in a different clip me unboxing the Echo Dot. So if you would like to see that, keep watching. So this is the box the Echo Dot comes in. It's pretty small itself, and it just has information like what comes in the box, random stuff I did not read, and on this side, different services that you can use with the device like Amazon Music, Spotify, and Pandora. When you go ahead and open it up, you are greeted with a little hockey puck-like device, and it's just wrapped in plastic and has like a padding on the bottom, so whatever surface you lay it on, it doesn't move around or slip around. It has 4 buttons on the top, and those little dots beside each are a microphone, and on the back is a port for an external speaker and the wall outlet. Setting that aside, inside the rest of the box is a little instruction manual. It's not very large, most of it's pretty self-explanatory. And it also has a paper with things to try, so different voice commands that you can give it, and it's just a couple because there's so many more that you can use. When you lift up the flap, you have the wall plug, so you'll just plug that into the back. And here is me struggling to take off the plastic that comes on the plug. Don't ask why it took so long to take this thing off. But yeah, it was a bit of a struggle. So those are what you get in the box, the device itself, and the wall plug. So that was me unboxing the Echo Dot, and I've already gone ahead and set it up on my desk. I'll show you where I have it laid out. You also need to download the Alexa app for iPhone and Android in order to use the Echo Dot, so I did that, of course. And I hooked it up to my TV, and I also hooked it up to my ceiling lights. So I can just say, turn on the lights, and the lights go on. I'll actually show you guys that as well. So I actually thought that right here would be a great place to set it up. It's on my desk with everything else that I have. I guess this is a quick desk tour, if you will. Yeah, this is just what it looks like. It used to be a whole lot more cluttered, but I hated the way it looked, so I just cleaned everything off. I guess you can say this is minimal, kind of, but yeah. So I keep it right here. It's so weird. It just looks like a white hockey puck on my desk. I'm just going to demonstrate the way I've hooked it up to my lights. I actually used these. So this is a smart socket. It comes in a pack of 4, and what you do is, let me just open it. So this is what it looks like, and it has a power button on the side. For these, basically what you have to do is download an app for these plugs, and then you connect the app to each plug, and then you're able to connect that to the Echo, so it will work with Alexa. And there it goes.
I don't know that one.
Clearly. I'm already using one for my lights, which I'll show you how it's plugged in. It's in a socket here, so the smart plug is here, and then you just plug in whatever device. I feel like most people use lamps and lights and stuff like that. I have the string lights that go all the way around the top of my wall. This took quite a bit of time, longer than expected to set up, to be honest with you. And with that, I'm able to use voice command, which controls the lights, so I don't have to physically get up and unplug it from the wall, which I used to have to do before I used to have like a clap sensor. You can actually see me do that in my room tour that I filmed a couple months back. I guess it's just because it was a cheap one. A lot of the time the claps don't register, so you have to make them like real heavy and deep claps for the lights to either go on or off, and that just got really annoying. My claps just weren't good enough to turn the lights off, so I can demonstrate it for you right now. You can see the lights are on. I say, Alexa, turn off the lights. And she turns off the lights. And I can say, Alexa, turn on the lights. And she turns on the lights. So that makes it so much easier. And of course, it doesn't have to be as loud as I'm talking, because apparently the 3rd generation Echo, it does have a far field like voice pickup. You don't have to like scream or yell at it. It'll actually just, you know, hear you from across the room. Of course, it can't be like a super large room, but bottom line is you don't have to scream and yell at it, which is nice. Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching. Before you leave the video, again, make sure to hit that subscribe button and give the video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below letting me know whether you have an Amazon Echo, or like a lot of people also have the Google Home, and how you use all of the voice commands, like what you use them for. I'm still looking for ideas. I'm trying to make my room as voice commandable as I possibly can. That's just the lazy person in me. I feel like this video turned into more of like a first impressions. I meant it just to be like an unboxing, but I figured that if you don't own one of these devices, you might want to see like kind of at least one thing that you can do with it. It's more like a first impressions, not really a review. And there's probably other people on YouTube that I know will do it much better than me. Thank you guys so much for watching again, and I'll see all of you next time. Bye.